Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag for October. It's a really cute Betty Boop one. And on the back it has black sequins. So I like that they've started doing unique bags. We had like a Tetris one, now we have Betty Boop. I think that's really cool. So the first item I got is from Benefit, their Real Mascara. This stuff is awesome. I love this stuff. I get it kind of often, but like I said, I love it, so don't mind that. And there is a card, flaunt it. We do get a list of products now. I like that they've done that. Just started doing that not that long ago. So next up we have a matte lipstick, Context. Never heard of that brand. Sweet Emotion is the color. Ooh, that's a good fall color too. Really nice. I've said a bunch on my channel I don't wear like pinks or reds, but this is like a darker color that I would wear because I'm so pale and I feel like it looks weird. Next up, olive oil face mask. Ooh, deep cleansing. Instant hydration with aloe vera and spirulina extracts. I probably butchered that, but I could always use face cleaner. And I did get to pick something this month. Now I'm thinking about that. Now I'm remembering. So with Birchbox, you always get to pick an item. And I think with Ipsy, I was able to pick one. And I picked this. I have not tried this company. At least I don't think it was this one. But I have had hemp products in the past. And they're really awesome. Like shampoos and conditioners and stuff. So this is a Herbal Whipped Body Cream. Triple Moisture. I'm going to take a whiff of it. I feel like it doesn't really have much of a scent. I could be smelling the lotion I put on, but doesn't really smell scented, which is fine with me. I don't always want fragrance. And the last item, I'll show you the inside of the bag. It's real soft, like satin type material. Super cute. So the last item is Betty Boop by Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner. I love eyeliner. Could always use a good liquid eyeliner. That's awesome. So let's take a look at the card real quick. Tells you all the products and some more information about them. So that is what I got in my October bag. Love the bag, love the products, really happy with this one. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have my referral link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.